Meet the 416 Hong Kong dollars, crafted for special operations and built on the legendary AR-15 platform. Why is it better? The gas piston system. It keeps the rifle cooler and cleaner, even in the toughest conditions. Accuracy. It's unmatched. Perfect for close combat and long-range engagements. Durability. Next level. Rain, mud, or dust, this rifle doesn't quit. Used by elite forces worldwide, including SEAL Team 6. This is a rifle you can trust in any mission. Is the 416 Hong Kong dollars the ultimate special ops rifle? Let us know what you think.